We are very blessed to learn Bhagavatam. We are going to start second chapter. We have studied first chapter. We have seen the Mangala Shasanam Shloka, Janmadhyasya Yado Anvaya. Then we saw the Shaunaka Rishis are asking question to Suta Pauranika to tell about the Puranas. Suta is the Pauranika. So they are asking him, you have learned everything from your Guru Vyasa. What is the best thing for us? What is the best? 6 questions they are asking. First question we have seen. Tatra tatraञ्जसायुष्मन् भवता यद्विनिश्चितं पुंसामेकान्तदश्रेयः तन्नशं सितुमर्हसि. The rishis are always worried about our welfare. The rishis always care about the rest of the people like us who are common people who are running day-to-day lives, living in the day-to-day life, and the rishis worry about us. So they are asking, what is the one thing that will bring Shreyas to everyone? Pumsam ekantata Shreyaha tanna shamsitu marhasi. So, tell the story of Sri Krishna. Tatra tatraञ्जसायुष्मन् भवता यद्विनिश्चितं पुंसाम् एकान्तदर्शयः तन्न शंसितुमर्हसि. We have to hear Krishna Katha, it will bring our welfare. It will bring Shreyas for us. So, the rishis are asking about Krishna Katha. Then second question they are asking, Suta janasi badram de bhagavan satvadam padi devakya vasudevasya jato yasya chikishaya. Why did Bhagavan take the Krishna Avadara? And what are the various deeds he performed in the Krishna Avatara? Tanna Shushrushamana Rahasyan Ganuvarnitum Yasyavataro Bhutanam Chemaya Bhavaya Cha. Also tell about all the other avatars of Sri Krishna. That is question 3. Question 4. Tasya karmanudharani parigitani suribihi Ruhina Shraddha Dhananam Leelaya Dadadakanaha Arakyahi Haridivan Avatara Kata Shubha Leela Vidadada Swiram Ishwarasya Atmamaya. And then again they ask about the Leela avatars of Bhagavan, and then what are the Leelas Bhagavan performed in the Krishna Avatara. Then again hearing Krishna Katha will bring up Punya for us. Then Kritavan Kila Viryani Saha Ramena Keshavah Atimartyani Bhagavane Guda Kapadamanusha with Balramji. What all Leela did Krishna perform? And then Ruhi Yogeshware Krishne Brahmani Dharmavarmani Swam Kashta Madhunupede Dharmahakkam Sharanam Gadaha. When Krishna Avatara was over, what is the dharma left that people have to follow? What is the way for the people to attain their highest welfare? What is the dharma code now? Krishna has gone. So where is the support for dharma in Kali Yuga? So like this they are asking question now. Vyasa is telling again the Bhagavatam, and here the Sutta will reply to the questions. So we are starting second chapter. अदद्वितीयोऽध्यायः व्यास उवाच इति सम्प्रश्नसंहृष्टो विप्राणां रोमहर्षणिः प्रतिपूज्य वचस्तेषां प्रवक्तुमुपचक्रमे. Shri Shaunaka are asking this question, and Sutta is Pravaktum is replying back. Pravaktum Upachakrame. Sutta is the son of Rauma Harshani, son of Roma Harsha. Sutta is the son of Roma Harsha. When he hears Bhagavad Gita, he will get horripilation and his ears will stand out and his whole body will have hair will stand on end, Roma Harsha. And the appalled son is Suta. So Suta is answering the questions. Yam pravrajantam anupedam apeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajugava. Suta is first praying to his guru Shuka and is doing namaskaram to his guru. That Shuka is born as a realized soul. He stayed in the mother's womb for a long time. He didn't want to come out, even he is afraid of the Maya outside. And he didn't come out. And finally, Bhagavan promised him, Maya will not affect you, please come. And then only Shuka came out. And when he was born, only he was born as a Jnani. And so he'll be wandering, he'll be in a state of inebriated bliss, Giripara. And his soul, he doesn't have any duty, he doesn't think he is so and so, that he has to do this work, that he has to help somebody. He's in state of ananda. Nobody could hold him or to do anything. He was not in a worldly state. He was in another level, and so he was just wandering like that. Even his son, even his father Vyasa, who is a great rishi, could not understand his state. And Vyasa will go after him, Hey Putra, Hey Putra, Putra Yava, என்னோட son, I have to do your Upanayanam, I have to send you to Gurukula. அப்படிலாம் வியாசர் நினைக்கிறார். But Shuka is such an advanced state of bliss that it doesn't register for him, and Vyasa couldn't understand. And so, where are you, Vyasa கூப்பிடுறது இவ அந்த the trees and the cosmos itself is as to answering Vyasa that your son is a Jnani. And so the whole cosmos around says Shuka is as though changed, because they all understand Jivan Mukta walking by. So the trees are all replying, your son is not an ordinary son, he is a Brahmajnani, you let him go. Like that, Putredi Tanmayataya Taravo Abhineduhodar. Taravo, the trees are telling Vyasa, உன்னோட புத்திரன் பிரம்மஜானி, தம் சர்வபூத ஹிருதயம் முனிமா, அவளுக்கு அவ அதே ஆத்மஸ்வரூபா. I don't see difference between that and this. They are in a state of Atma everywhere. So they cannot understand my father, my mother, etc. எல்லாமே ஆத்மஸ்வரூபம். So tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi yasvanubhavam akila shruti saramekam adhyatmadipam adithitirshadam damodham samsarinam karunayaha purana guhyam tam vyasasunam upayami gurum muninam. It's very beautiful sloka. Suta is doing pranam to his guru first before replying to the questions. Vyasa, they said Shuka is a Brahmajnani. He is the guru for even all the jnanis. And he is, out of his infinite mercy, Akila Shruti Saramekam Adhyatma Deepam. So, Vyasa Bhagavan, he gave this Bhagavata Purana, Akila Shruti Saramekam. It is the essence of all the Vedas. The Vedas are the tree, and the tree has borne a fruit, and the fruit, the juice, is given by sage Shuka, because as a parrot will pluck the best fruit from the tree, and then when it knows, it will give that fruit was taken by Shuka and given as juice to us. Adhyatma Deepam, this is the enlightening us in the spiritual path, the path to attain the spirit, attain the self. For God realization path la poravalukku the light, the Bhagavatam. Adhyatma Deepam adithitirshadam namodam. When people are saying what is there in this world, it's always dukkha after dukkha only. Just a temporary period we get when there is no dukkha, but in between two dukkha there is a little bit gap, and then we feel we are very happy. Actually, it's not there at all. It is only a gap, because another dukkha is going to come next very soon. It's only one after another, endless misery is only this world, and some people have realized. So, atithitirshadam damodham, a dark place of this samsara. Some people want to get out. For them, for the sake of those people, our Shuka gave this Bhagavata Purana. It is lighting the path for us who are going in the path of attaining Atma Jnana. அந்த சுகருக்கு இந்த பாகவதம் அனுபவம், ஸ்வானுபவம் அனுபவத்துல சொல்றார். சமாதி ஸ்டேட்ல இருந்து சொல்றார் பாகவதம். புக்கு படிச்சு சொல்லை, அவர் அதே பாகவதம் தான் அவரே. Is Radha Krishna Swarupa and the words pour out of him. For temporarily he came out of his highlighted state for learning Bhagavatam. அப்படி இருக்கு இந்த பாகவதம். That even a Brahmajnani let go of his Ananda state and came down, because Krishna Katha is like that. So, and then he taught to Parikshit, and from Parikshit, when he is telling Parikshit, other rishis are hearing, and then they hear, and then they give to Shishya, one Shishya to another, this Bhagavatam passed on. So, Samsarinam Karunayaha Purana Guhyam. This Bhagavatam is for samsaris like us, who are going round and round in this world where there is endless misery only. So, Purana Guhyam, Bhagavatam is there. We are telling, please come for class, but everybody is not coming. Why? அவளே அவளுக்கு தடங்களா இருக்கா. எவ்வளோ அழகா சுந்தரகாண்டம் இஸ் ஹேப்பனிங். கிட்டக்கு பக்கத்துல உள்ளவாள வரலையே, டாலஸ் பீப்புள் வரலையே. ஏன்? அவளே அவள தடங்கள். They themselves are blocking their own spiritual growth. What can we say? So it is Guhyam. We are telling it's there, but it's up to you to receive it. If you didn't, then it's your own obstacle. You are the obstacle. There is no external obstacle. If I make a sankalpam, I have to go. Then Bhagavan will give away, and Vignaharta Sri Ganesha will remove all obstacles. The first thought what you get is what will decide whether you are going or not. The moment you get an email, tomorrow satsang in my home, the moment you see, satsang, I have to go. If you take it with that spirit, you will be able to go. But if you say, another satsang, I don't have time. If you say that, it will not come for you. So like that, it's a guhyam. They are telling it's here, but people don't take it. Adnala guhyam. Ana irike. Right? Tam Vyasa Sunam. So, but the rishis care for us. The rishi engiyo irka. After 5,000 years ago, they thought about us in Kali Yuga, and they got this Bhagavatam out for us. So, and the Vyasa who wrote the Bhagavata, and his son, the sage Shuka, who narrated Bhagavatam, I pranam to them. Suta Pauranika is first doing pranam to his guru Shuka. Tam Vyasa Sunam Upayami Marum Muninam. Then, first we have to do pranam to Narayana, Saraswati Mata, and Vyasa before we enter the study of Bhagavatam. Narayanam Namaskritya. Adbhuta Guruvayurappan has given. இது எங்கேருந்து வந்தது? பாகவதம் சும்மா இல்லை. It's Guruvayurappan every word. The invite, when we call Sundarakanda, Ramar illava, Hanuman illaya, to run, right? When we say Bhagavatam Narayanam, you have to run. Why? Guruvayurappan. That Sri Prabhu Hari Narayan's Grantha it is. Any doubt you have? Right? So, Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Shaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam. Saraswati Mata, she is the Jnana Swarupini. She is the Jnana. Brahmaji is the creator. Brahmajiyoda knowledge and the creative knowledge, creative power is Saraswati Mata. And Saraswati Mata go pranam. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. This Bhagavata Grantha has to be learned by that. It is bringing victory for us. Jayam Udirayet. Jayam over this Ajnana. இதுக்கு விட என்ன வேணும்? Right? That is the Bhagavatam we got. Then Muneyasaru Prushtoham Bhavadbirlokamangalam Yatkrita Krishna Samprashno Enatma Suprasidati Paro Dharmo Yado Bhakti Radokshaje Ahaitukya Pratihara Yayatma Samprasidati Prushtoham Bhavadbirlokamangalam Yatkrita Krishna Samprashno Enatma Suprasidati. In the first chapter, Sloka 9 is the first question. Tatra tatra jasayushman bhavata yat vinishchidam pumsam ekandada shreyah. Pumsam ekandada shreyah. What will bring the welfare for all men? Please tell us that. That was the question. And then questions about Krishna Avataram. So here Sutta is telling the questions you have put, O Rishis, are very great. Savai Munaya Sadhu Prishtoham, Sadhu Sadhu means good. So questions are excellent. Bhavadbe Loka Mangalam, they'll bring Mangalam for the world. Our Rishis, they are worried for us. We are all coming in Rishi Gotra, right? Haridha Gotram, our Gotram. You are all having Rishi's blood. That is how you have come. When you go to Hanuman temple to do Archana, they'll say Gotra, right? We are all having Rishi's blood in our body. Adakam we are Bharatavasi and human beings who have Rishiyoda Anugraham. And the Rishis, they are seeing far. They are called seer because they can see, they have the vision to see the future. And they are telling the Kali Yuga is Ghora Kali Yuga. Duryodhana and people will like that will prevail here. How will man save himself? What will bring his welfare? Like that the question. So Sutta is telling, your question is very correct. It will bring the Mangalam for everyone. And it is related to Krishna. Yat Krita Krishna Samprashno Yenatma Suprasidati Krishna Kata Yenatma Suprasidati. Atma ka anandam kudkaram. We are giving enjoyment to the tongue or the ears or eyes, etc. What about Atma? You have to feed the Atma. And that is why we do satsang. Who are you? You are Atma Swarupa. And to always feed the Atma with good things. And the Atma Pushtiya Arkanam, not the Sharira. Atma Pushtiya Arkanam. So the Krishna Katha brings Pushti to Atma. Atma Suprasidati. Therefore, the first, the utmost prime dharma for all men. Savai Pumsam Paro Dharmo Yadu Bhakti Adokshaji. It is to develop Bhakti to Adokshaja. That Bhagavan who is beyond the senses is called Adokshaja. Our duty is to develop Bhakti to Sri Hari. That is our primary duty. That is why you and I are born here. Not to have more, bank balance and 401k or retirement benefit and pass on to children and grandchildren and die. No, that is not why we are born. We are born to attain prime Bhakti to Sri Hari. And what type of Bhakti? Ahaitu Kyapradihada. Ahaituki. Not having any motive, like you give me this promotion, then I will do bhakti. Not like that bhakti. Ahaituki. Ahaituki bhakti na Krishna Taprema Vardu. Everybody and the Vrajavasi, how much they loved Krishna. They didn't ask, please give me new job or new house or please give me children and all. They had love, right? Ahaituki. Bhakti to Bhagavan for the sake of Guru Vayappan. How? My Guru Vayappan is amazing Lord Bhakti. And then Apradihada, the obstacle, our obstacle, neither the obstacle. The Maya is the obstacle, it is up to us to go beyond and say, no more obstacle, I am going. So, Apradihada, obstacle Varama. In the Parayana, I will read this Panjastuti and only then I will sleep. You make Sangalpa and you do it. No one dare give you hindrance. It is you yourself. It is in your hand. Everything you decide is up to you only. Don't say Kala is not ठीक नहीं है. My body is sick. adellame unga kaiyila. Everything is in your hand because Atma Pushti Artha, you can have positive energy and positive things you can do yourself. Don't wait for a thing to happen. You do it. Like that, Apradihata. Without having any obstacle, I do bhakti to my Krishna. Yaya Atma Prasidati. My Atma gets peace. Anand Adikita, you have to feel the Atma. Then what bhakti? Vasudeve Bhagavati. Vasudeve Bhagavati Bhakti Yoga Prayojita Idenna bhakti Krishnarna, what is giving? Janayatyashu vairagyam. Automatically the Krishna beauty, his Leela, his Katha, his gunas, Shutva gunan bhuvana sundara. Shutva gunan bhuvana sundara. He is beautiful, he has beautiful gunas. And Rukmini Devi says, my chittamni apaharichutai. You have stolen my heart. Like that bhakti. So that when we do bhakti to Krishna like that, all other worldly things automatically drop off. Janayatyashu vairagyam. It's not forced vairagyam. We don't give much importance. Automatically, the hold of those objects on us is dropping. And we hold Krishna more. And Krishna holds us more. So, Janayatyashu vairagyam irindata jnanam varum. Janayatyashu vairagyam jnanam cha yadahaitukam. In the vairagyam, in the bhakti and vairagyam, will take us to jnana. And like Ananda, 24 hours for eternity. That Ananda. That's what Guru Arpan want to give us. So, jnanam cha yadahaitukam. By doing Krishna bhakti. So, man's duty another to develop bhakti to Krishna. Krishna bhakti will give vairagya and jnana. Asudeve bhagavani bhakti yoga prayojitaha janayatyasha vairagyam jnanam cha yadahaitukam dharma swanushthita pumsam vishvaksena katha suyah notpadayet yadiradim shrama eva hi kevalam. Now see this. Every shloka will be piercing your mind and heart. Dharma swanushthita pumsam vishvaksena katha suyah नोत्पादयेत् यदिरतिं श्रम एव हि केवलं धर्मस्य ह्यापवर्ग्यस्य नार्थोऽर्थायोपकल्पते नार्थस्य धर्मैकान्तस्य कामो लाभाय हि स्मृतः धर्मस्य ह्यापवर्ग्यस्य नार्थोऽर्थायोपकल्पते नार्थस्य धर्मैकान्तस्य कामो लाभाय हि स्मृतः कामस्य नेन्द्रियप्रीतिः लाभो जीवेद यावदा जीवस्य तत्त्वजिज्ञासा नार्थो यश्चेह कर्मभिः. All the dharma we do, like some people will go to the Tirtha Yatra and the tour bus, right? All of them then they'll say, I went to Manasarovar, I went to Kailasa, I went to all those places and all. Then they come back from all those trips, they'll same people again. Nothing changed for them. Then what is the use? You're keeping on doing all this ritual and some Bharata, some puja part, etc. But it didn't bring any change in your internal, in the state of mind. It didn't bring any change. You're still having kama, krodha, moha, lobha, mada, matsalya, everything. Then nothing happened. Shrama eva hi kevalam. Paisa bhi waste kiya, time bhi waste kiya, you are the same person. Whereas you come to correct true satsanga, tak in progress on Katha of Sri Krishna, and here heard correctly as with bhakti as the focus. Katha, some people will tell, but it's entertainment as the focus, or dwell on other. There was in Bhagavatam, I heard one pravachan, some Mabin from India came many years ago, and she's telling Narasimha Avatara was the topic we gave her. And Narasimha Avatara topic, you have to tell about Prahlada, then Hiranyakashipu, Tapasya, Prahlada, his qualities, then how torture kiya, Narasimha. Like that you will do Narasimha Avatara. This mommy, she took like first 1.5 hours to tell about the second chapter, Hiranyakashipu lamenting about his brother's death and consoling his mother and telling some story that Yama had told, etc., etc. It is a full chapter is there in Bhagavatam. And the story of fairy tale in 1.5 hour paid, 2 hour katha. அதுக்கப்புறம் 30 minutes Prahlada Narasimha இப்படிலாம் கதை சொன்னா என்ன யூஸ்? No bhakti will come. And that philosophy of Hiranyakashipu is what she dwelt on for most of the katha. And Hiranyakashipu speaking Vedanta is what I need or what? I need the Vedanta Prahlada is teaching. I need Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnoho, Smaranam, Padasevanam. You have to tell about bhakti. So don't just hear any katha from anywhere to YouTube. Full confused हो जाएगा. हमारे गुरुजी का कथा सुनो. The way Guruji has trained all the Shishyas, appadi kada kekkanam bhakti da prayojanam. Our grantha is Bhagavatam. Gurujiyoda grantha, Shisha Annaoda grantha Bhagavatam. Bhagavatam, what did we study? Bhakti is the prayojanam. Bhakti is the uddesham for human birth. Ada vechu padingo. Don't go to I am the God, I am only realized and all. Vedanta is not for us. So here it's saying, if you have done all those bus tours, etc., to different places, and Shrama eva hi keval. Just time waste kiya, just Shram. No total waste of time and effort. Nothing good. If it did not bring any rati to Sri Hari, no utpanaya yadi rati man. If you did not get rati, bhakti to hear Krishna Katha, kuch waste ho, kuch prayojan nahi. The ultimate good for everyone hearing Krishna Katha. Inge irukka? Irukilla? Krishna Katha. Rama Katha. Hanuman Katha. Adda Katha. On the Rati Varda, 2 hours we used to hear Katha. 2 days. Amazing. Katha ledan அப்படியே மைண்ட் இப்படி கொண்டு போயாச்சு. We don't need to force and sit in dhyana. The Katha of Bhagavan entering more. Shrushruvi Tachanati. Bhagavan enters through the ear and purifies us inside. Chitta Shuddhi Tanave Varde. Otherwise, here, next shloka is telling Dharmasya Shyapavargyasya Nartorthayopakalpade. We are having the 4 dharma, Purushartha, Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. So we have to do dharma to attain. Artha means wealth. And with the wealth earned by dharma, we have to enjoy the kama, sense pleasure. Like that and all is not the real purpose of man. Narthasya dharmaikandasya kamona vai. Kama is not the end. Kama means all the sense pleasures and also kind of lust is coming in there. Also our desires, that is not our end. Kamasyani indriya priti. Kama is not for indriya priti. Indriya another, our ears and the nose and all. Indriya priti, whole life is going for us. Till 80, 90, the Buddha ko fir bhi indriya ka. That attachment doesn't go. You want to eat murk, chakli, the kadich abhi teeth hi nahi hai. Still our yearning for those things. That's called Indriya Priti. It is not leaving. Means nothing. Whole life is gone. It may never come back. The body in 20 years will never come back. You can stand upside down and like Hiranyakashipu, nothing will happen. That body will never come. 80-year-old body is 80-year-old body. You have to accept. So, Kama is not for Indriya Priti. Labho Jive Dayavada. Then what is the purpose of Jiva? Jivan. Birth. Jivasya Tattva Jijnasa. Understand Sri Hari. To understand Guru Arpan is our purpose, not Dharma or Artha or Kama. Narto yasceha karmavihi vadanti tat tattvavidaha. Vadanti tat tattvavidaha tattvam yajnanamadvayam brahmedi paramatmedi bhagavaniti shabhyate. Tashraddhadana muniyo jnanavairagyayuktaya pashyantyatmani chatmana bhaktya shrutagihitaya. The people who have realized already, our vadanti, our cholra, what are they saying? What are they saying? Tattvam yajnanamadvayam. That we have to understand that tattva, that is beyond the duality. Non-dual anandam. Non-dual consciousness, we have to realize that there is only oneness. We have to realize the oneness in everything. That is called Yajnanam Advayam. Rendu nillai. Advaitam. There is not two. Dvaitam. Dvaitam illai. Advaitam only. Appadina, to go above the two, right? And go to yourself as the Amsha of Bhagavan. So that is our purpose to attain. So that God realization, some will call as Brahmedi, some will say it is Brahman, some will say it is Paramatma, and some will say, like us, people will say Bhagavan. Who will say Brahman? The Vedantis will call it as Brahman. The yogis will call it as Paramatma. The Bhaktas will call it as Bhagavan. Ade non-dual consciousness. That Bhagavan who is beyond duality, the oneness. Yet Jnanam Adidan, it is called as Brahman or Paramatman or Bhagavan. That same thing, only same Guru Arpan, same Bhagavan, same Krishna. So it is called in three ways. Brahman by Vedantis, Paramatma by yogis, and Bhagavan by Bhaktas. Tashraddhana Muniyo Jnana Vairagya Yuktaya. Those munis who have Shraddha. For bhakti to develop, we need Vishwasam, we need Shraddha, atut Shraddha we need. We need Nishtha and Shraddha. And so then the bhakti will become more and more good. Nalla rudamagum bhakti. So people, the rishis who have that Shraddha, that bhakti and the Dhrida Vishwas, they attain Pashyantyatmani Chatmanam Bhaktya Shrutagrihitaya. By doing bhakti, by hearing katha, Shrutagrihitaya, by doing practice in the devotional disciplines only, the rishis also attain Atmajnana. Tashraddhana Munayo Jnana Vairagya Yuktaya Pashyantyatmani Chatmanam Bhaktya Shrutagrihitaya Ada Pumbir Dvijashreshta Varnashama Vibhagashaha Swanushtistasya Dharmasya Samsiddhir Haritoshanam Tasmadekena Manasa Bhagavan Satvanambari Shrotamyaha Kirtitavyascha Jneyah Pujyascha Nityada. Our Swadharma correctly based on our Varnashrama. Like the Brahmana is doing this thing, Kshatriya are doing this thing, Vaishya are doing this thing, Shudra are doing its thing. We are doing our Swadharma correctly. The purpose of doing all karma is to please Sri Hari. Samsiddhir Haritoshanam. That is why we are doing. Why you have to be good? Because good is that is just your job to be good. Why? Because my Guru Arpan will be pleased. That's all. I'm not doing him a favor. It's my job to be good. That's all. That's it. So then only Guru Arpan will like me. Some Siddhir Haritoshana Another Sri Hari Kivendi have to be good. So Tasmadekena Manasa Bhagavan Satvadampadihi. Bhagavan who is the topmost of the Bhaktas. Satvadampadihi, Bhakta Lord leader. And Bhagavan, what we should hear about him? Shrotavyaha, Kirtitavyascha. We should hear about him. We should sing his glories. We should do dhyanam and do his more and more dhyana and worship of that Bhagavan. Tasmadekena manasa Bhagavan Satvadambarihi Shrotavyah Kirtitavyascha Jneyah Pujyascha Nityada Yadanudhyasina Yuktaha Karma Grandhi Nibandhanam Chindandi Kovidastasya Kona Kuryat Katharathim. Yadanudhyasina Yuktaha Karma Grandhi Nibandhanam Chindandi Kovidastasya Kona Kuryat Katharathim. Shushrusho Shraddhadanasya Vasudeva Katharuchihi Syan Mahat Sevaya Vipraha Punyatirtha Nishevanate. Shushrusho Shraddhadanasya Vasudeva Katharuchihi Syan Mahat Sevaya Vipraha Punyatirtha Nishevanate. Not thinking about it. First hearing katha, then singing the slokas, then thinking about the katha. Nididhyasanam. Again and again thinking that, and then this karma granthi nibandhanam. All our other bondages, all the knots will be cut automatically. I taught these chapters in 2015, 10 years ago, and I feel the difference. I'm here. when I was teaching first time 10 years ago how I was, and now for me it's like, yes, exactly so, perfect, like that. I can feel it because it is what the words were written. இப்போ அது சத்தியமாகுது. It is coming alive as the years have progressed. அப்போனா I've been in the correct path, right? இல்லைன்னா அந்த முன்னாடி சொன்னா ஸ்ரவ ஏவ கேவலம். 10 years ago what you were doing, if you are doing same thing, then waste one. अभी नहीं ना, we have done Bhagavatam 10 years ago. Now the change is here. I can see it, right? So it's not Shrama Eva Kevalam, it is Satyam. Because this Katha Ruchi has come and Nidhi Dhyasanam. Tomorrow this Katha. I cannot stop thinking about Mahabharat ever. How many times? People say, Kalyug, in this 2025 you're watching Mahabharat? Yes. It is so much to learn every day. So, அதுதான் அப்படி. who will not like Krishna Katha? கோன குரியா கதாரத்திம் யாருக்கு பிடிக்காது? Only the person who has a very grave sin and he will not like Krishna Katha anu Parikshit will tell later in Dashmat Skanda. Otherwise, Katha is so amazing. How many times our Krishna came and saved the Pandavas from trouble of Krishna? How much you did? Later, every time you hear Katha, Ko Chindandi Ko Vidastasya Ko Nakurya, it will cut asunder all our knots. Otherwise, if we are doing sadhana, the ego will only inflate more and more. If I am doing sadhana, saying I did this, I want to do this, I want to do this, the ego will get inflated like a balloon. But if you are doing as Krishna Kripa, the Bhakta வந்து Bhagavatam, what is the underlying thing? Krishna Kripa. I am here doing Bhagavatam, Krishna Kripa. And in Yachirkare, he kept me here, Krishna. I am not in that traffic jam over there. I am not in doctor's office. I am here, Krishna. Etra anugraham, Krishna. Every minute we feel like that gratitude. Gratitude is building. So this is why, because Krishna Katha is purifying and removing all our knots automatically. Shushrusho Shaddadanasya Vasudeva Katha Ruchihi. When we hear this Katha, when we go to this Punya Tirtha Nishevana, when we go to the Tirtha Sthala, or when we go to satsangs, we get a chance to serve the bhaktas. We get a chance to do seva. By such things, the Katha or the faith in them increases. One person like me was telling Bhagavatam at those years. இப்போ எல்லாரும் Bhagavatam சொல்றா satsang. Right? Everybody reading, everybody telling what to do Katha. Like that is become. Idala, you truly get a transformation in our satsang. Transformation is our key word. Inner transformation. That is our satsang. And I have seen with my eyes in myself and others. So that Shenvata Syan Mahat Sevaya Vipraha, when we go to these satsangs, we get to do seva to our Gurunadar. We get to do some seva for divine purposes, and then the Katha Ruchi increases for us. And then all the negative energy vanishes and all unwanted things automatically drop from our lives. All this happening by Katha alone. Shushrusho Shaddadanasya Vasudeva Katha Ruchihi Syarmaha Sevaya Vipraha Punya Tirtha Nishevana Shinvatam Swakatham Krishna Punya Shravana Kirtanaha. Yaroda Katha? Krishna's Katha. Yaru Krishna? Krishna. So, Punya Shravana Kirtanaha Hridyantasto Hyavadrani Vidhunoti Suhritsada. Amazing. See? Every word is like Rasmalai for me. Shenvatam Sakatham Krishnaha Punya Shravana Kirtanaha Hridyantasto Hyavadrani Vidhunoti Suhritsada Nashta Prayeshu Abhadreshu Nityam Bhagavada Sevaya Bhagavatyuttama Shloke Bhaktir Bhavati Naishtiki. Amazing. Nashtaprayeshu abhadreshu nityam bhagavada sevaya bhagavatyuttama shloke bhaktir bhavati naishtiki. Krishna Katha is purifying us. Punyam, we are getting punya, remember this. When you are sitting in this Bhagavatam class 1 hour and reading shloka, punya is coming for you. And whoever, we also have some papa in us, papa is getting cut. And the punya is coming for us because it's Krishna Katha. So, the Krishna will purify us. And all the bad, evil vasana which emerge now and then, all those will be cut. Shinvatam Swakatam Krishna Punya Shavana Kirtana Hajjantasto Hyavadrani. We still have some bad tendencies. All those will be cleansed and we get purified. Katha is purifying, Katha is giving punya, Katha is removing our papa. And the Katha itself will give bhakti and darshana of Guru Varapana. That's the evil. Step by step it is giving. Vidunoti, Suhrit Sada, it is cleaning. Vidunoti na dota. All the mal in the mind it is cleaning. We have giving Atma food here. Then, Nashtaprayeshu Abhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavad Kupa Seva Panna. Bhagavadalka Seva Panna Mahabhagyam. To go to Houston and see Gadadarji or Chinna Seva, we are able to do Bhagyam. Ada Itra energy, right? So you get chance to do Bhagavata Seva. The true Bhagavata who have dedicated themselves to Seva of Guruji, Avalak or Seva Panna Bhagyam. Right? But doing Seva to Guru Maharaj, to people, many different type of devotees come to Guruji. Some are like us, who can do Sanskrit shloka, etc. But some are blank, nothing they know. They only went to office and came back. They don't know anything. But somehow Guruji has taken them. Avalukku eppadi sadana bhagavatam padikka mudiyadhu. So ava enna பண்ணுவா, just they go near, sit near Guruji and chant Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Avale etthu. Ava fast-a pora. Namana by effort put we are trying, etc. Faster for actually. Like that, just by Guru Bhakti alone, just by having gratitude to Guru, their Bhakti is progressing so rapidly. I have seen this. They don't know Sanskrit at all to say any sloka. Avale varada valak. Ana ava Bhakti progress rapidly. I have seen. So just by doing Guru Seva, Bhakta Seva, Bhagavata Seva, Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya, Bhagavat Uttama Shloke, adavada enna prayojanam Bhakti Bhakti. Our Guruji says it beautifully, when we are doing all this, you have to be good, we are saying, right? Be good, be nermaya, you're being straightforward person, and you do lead a life that is pleasing to Guru Varapana. What is the result for it? Oh, I'm going to win the lottery, like, you're not going to get big bank balance, and no. Then what is the result? You're going to get inner clarity. You're going to get peace of mind. And then, when you're doing life is straightforward and honest person, Raja Vatama Vadalam, Guruji says, you can live like a king. The dog, it cannot go find its own food, so it has to wag its tail to the master and get the food. The lion in the forest lives like a king, and when the human comes, it will do garjan because lion does not get scared. Lion doesn't depend on the man to get food. It can it will attack and eat. That's நேர்மை பிந்தாசா இருக்கு. நம்மளாம் weak people, you have to fall at somebody's feet and so we have to do उनका खुशामद करके time waste करता है. Right? Oh, we have to be accepted by them, etc. We are all like dogs. To be like, you have to be like a lion. But how? By leading a straightforward life that's pleasing to Guru Varapana. You get inner clarity, you don't need to depend on anyone, and you are your own king. So that's what you will get by hearing Krishna Katha. You won't have to depend on others and fall at others' feet to get your thing. You are your own king. You have Guru Varapana as your support. You don't have to worry and do kushamat for anybody else. You don't have to do chamcha for any ordinary person. So that Bhagavata Sevaya, to save By doing Bhagavata Seva, by hearing Katha, we get Naishtiki, we get that Nishta and the Bhakti. Drida Bhakti we get for the Uttama Shloka Shri Krishna. Nashta Prayeshu Abhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavatyuttama Shloke Bhakti Bhati Naishtiki Prayeshu Abhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavatyuttama Shloke Bhakti Bhavati Naishtiki गोपिका जीवन स्मरणम गोविंदा गोविंदा सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।